The collinear concept వస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి చూడండి. How to start? So let OA is equal to first one. OA is equal to first vector OAM. OA alpha I bar plus 10j bar plus 13k bar. OB is equal to 6I bar plus 11j bar plus 11k bar. OC is equal to 9 by 2 I bar plus beta j bar minus 8k bar. Okay, given is OA OB. Now find AB. AB bar is equal to OB minus OM. OB minus OA. All you know that AB bar is OB minus OA, which is 6 minus alpha I bar plus 11 minus 10, which is J bar. Okay, plus 11 minus 13 minus 2k. Got it? AB bar is equal to. Now find BC bar. What is BC bar? BC bar is nothing but OC minus OB, which is 9 by 2 minus 6. If you want, you can do rough work. Okay, OC minus OB, 9 by 2 minus 6. 2 is LCM. 9 minus 12, which is minus 3 by 2. So you can write minus 3 by 2 I bar. Next, beta plus beta minus 11 J bar. Next, OC minus OB minus 8 minus 11 minus 90 K bar. Okay. Yes. Right. AB and BC we got. Easy journey and the simple collinear concept. If three are collinear, okay, OA, OB, OC are collinear, then the vectors AB is parallel to BC. Right? That is only the concept. AB parallel to BC. If AB parallel to BC, apply proportionality concept. All you know, right? So I coefficient by I coefficient. 6 minus alpha by minus 3 by. Okay. So already I explained this concept in notes. So read notes thoroughly. After that, automatically you can able to solve all types of questions. Next, AB J coefficient 1 by. What is BC J coefficient? Beta minus 11 is equal to AB coefficient minus 2 by BC K minus 9. Okay, a simple one. Now we have to get alpha beta. After that, you can find the answer. So equate first and third. So what you get here, minus 3 by 2 can be written as 2 of 6 minus alpha. Right, 2 of 6 minus alpha by minus 3 is what? Minus 2 by minus 9. So 2 of 6 minus alpha into 19 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, here minus minus cancel. This minus moves to right side, put minus here. So again 2 cancel. 6 minus alpha is equal to minus 3 by 90. Got it? 6 plus 3 by 19 is alpha. Calculate here. 19, 6 into 19, how much? 144. 114 or 144? Plus. So alpha is 117 by 90. Okay. What is alpha? 117 by 90. Okay. Similarly, find beta. How to find beta? Equate second and third. Okay. First, third equate chesam alpha వచ్చేసి. Second, third equate చేయండి. 1 by beta minus 11 is equal to 2 by 90. So minus minus cancel అయిపోతుంది. Just cross multiply. 19 equal to 2 into beta minus 11. Right? Okay. Then 19 by 2 plus 11 is beta. Yes, beta is equal to 2 is LCM. 19 plus 22, which is 41 by 2. Clear? Beta is 41 by 2. Now, what is required? So, an easiest question. This is also required is what? 9 alpha minus 6. Completely method based questions. Try to apply concept. After that, apply method properly. Solve step by step. Even objective exam అని ఇంత నీట్ గా చేసుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే కొంచెం స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నో షార్ట్ కట్స్, నథింగ్. షుడ్ అప్లై మెథడ్స్. ఓకే, మెథడ్స్ కూల్ గా అప్లై చేయండి, సాల్వ్ చేస్తుంటే యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఆన్సర్స్. సో 9 into what is alpha? 117 by 19. Sorry, given question 19 alpha only, not 9. Okay. Given question 19 alpha only, make it correct. 19 alpha. Okay, then it's very simple. Minus 6 into beta, 41 by 2. Okay, easy. 9 and of course, very answer also, but given 19, other these 19 cancel and happy. Like 2 1s, 2 3s. So 117 minus 41 into 3, 123. 19 minus 123 whole square. Okay, 117 minus 123. Sorry, 117 minus 123 minus 6. Minus 6 square and 36. Okay, is it there in your option? Choose sir. Yes, it is there. So answer is 36. So another simple question is cool solve collinear property. Okay, good question. Note it down. If you have any doubt, you can ask.